welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, my name is Griselda and welcome to my YouTube family. So in today's video, I am going to be reviewing the new collection in collab with Patrickstarrr and TARTE Cosmetics. It is their new spring collection. I am so excited because this definitely took me back to my old MAC days where they used to be like, here is your face chart for this weekend's theme day. You had to recreate it. You had to just kind of challenge yourself, and I feel like some of my managers saw that I only wore neutrals sometimes and they were like, you know what, I'm just gonna give her some color so she can just step out of her comfort zone. And it reminded me of those days. I feel like now I am able to kind of relive that, and it just reminded me on why I fell in love with makeup, and my mind definitely got really creative. I was going for a different look, but you guys will see in the video how it just didn't work out, but I was able to just kind of do something different and I came up with this look. So if you want to see how I get this look using the new MAC in collab with Patrickstarrr, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to turn on your notifications so you get notified every single time I upload. And without further ado, let's get started with this video. Alright, so we're gonna get started. Here is what the package looks like. I haven't opened it. I don't know what collection I got either. So there's two collections. One of them is called FLEEK and the other one is called Chic. I don't know which one I got. Like I said, we are gonna open this together. I got FLEEK. So FLEEK is a little bit more on the bolder side. It's fierce. It's for that girl that is not afraid to wear makeup. So I'm super excited to be playing with FLEEK. It also comes with a cute little face chart to kind of give you like an inspo of what look you can create. You guys don't mind my fingernails. I took off my nails because one of them broke in the middle of my workout, so I had to take all of them off. So the collection comes with a lipstick, a lip gloss, a quad palette, and a blush duo. Here is the quad palette. This is what it looks like. And this palette is called Play With Me. It comes with a matte shadow and 3 frost. 2 of them being bold colors, which are the shades right down here. Next we have this Take Me Home blush duo, and it comes with a matte side and a shimmery side. And here we have the Hey Boy Hey matte lipstick. It's a nice purpley bluish undertone lipstick. And then we have this pink with a hint of purple undertone lip gloss. You can definitely top the lipstick with this and give it a really nice glossy finish. So all 4 items do retail for $49.50, which will be available in store April 19th. I am so excited to be trying this because I feel like I haven't done a super bold makeup look, which I'm gonna be able to do today. So let's get right into it. I've already did my foundation, my brows. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes. I'm just gonna pick up a little bit of my Soft Ochre base by MAC and just gonna run it through with a Dalium blending brush. I typically like to use a blending brush when I apply my base, just so it's a lot easier and it has like a smoother transition. Next, I'm just gonna go ahead and set that with a translucent powder. We are going to start off by using this color right here. So I'm gonna pick up this blending brush by Dose of Colors, and I'm just gonna pick up a little bit of this In Living Pink, and we are gonna start by applying that into the crease. And I'm just building in that color just to make sure that I have a good amount of that first transition shade. And I'm just gonna pick up a clean blending brush. This is a E22 by Morphe, and just kind of blend out those edges. So now we're just gonna pick up this color called Hickey and add that on top of the first transition color. I'm gonna be using this brush here. This is the blender brush by Makeup Addiction, which is pretty similar to the Dose of Colors. It's just a little bit longer. We're just gonna add that on top of that. I want the second transition shade to just be a little bit brighter and bolder. It has a little bit of frost, which is okay because I already placed the matte base, which is the first transition shade, right underneath, so it's not gonna look super frosty. I'm gonna go in with that clean brush and just kind of blend out the edges. Always keep that clean blending brush and just kind of clean out the edges especially when you're going in with a super bold color like this. I feel like also with colors like this, blending is the key, so you always have to make sure that you spend a good amount of time just blending out your shadow. I applied the eyeshadow in my clean blending brush. Because I want this look to be super gradient and I want it to be super colorful, I'm going to pick up this color right here from the Sugar Pill 12 Patent Magnet Pro palette. It's going to be this purple right over here. I don't know the name. I'll look for it and then put it in the description box just in case you guys might want to try it. Their Sugar Pill eyeshadows are so pigmented. I'm going to be using this Morphe E18 brush. So what I like to do is that I just kind of like to press in the shadow and then go in and blend it out. I'm just going to use that first brush, the blending brush, and just kind of blend everything together. And I'm barely putting any pressure on the brush. Now we're going to pick up this blue and add it to the outer corner to kind of add a little bit more of dimension to the outer corner, just to kind of smoke it out a little bit. And I'm just using a pencil brush. This is from Morphe. It doesn't have a number because it came in a set. You can just use any pencil brush. And we're just gonna add that to the outer corner. So that didn't work out because it's a frost shadow. I should have known this, but it didn't stick to the matte shadow. So what I'm gonna do is I am just going to smoke out the bottom of my eyes just using the blue. But first we are going to just pick up this color right here. This one is called All Rosy, and we're just gonna apply that on the lid. And I'm just gonna use a shader brush, and this is by Dose of Colors. And we're just gonna press that shadow right on the lid. Because I'm going to be doing that bright blue under my eyes, I'm going to be using this chromographic pencil in the shade Marine Ultra, and I'm just going to run that through my waterline. And then what I also like to do is I like to bring it right down below to the lash line, so when I apply the eyeshadow has something to grab onto. And then with that pencil brush, I'm just going to smudge that out down below, and I'm going to easily just kind of like press it and then blend it out. And I'm kind of bringing it a little bit lower than what I usually do, just because I want the blue to stand out. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use that clean blending brush and just kind of run it through down below. It doesn't have any product. I'm just kind of using that just to kind of blend out any harsh lines. So I'm going to grab that Marine Ultra pencil by MAC, and I'm just going to line my lash line at the top and just kind of create a small wing. It's a little harder with a pencil because it's not as smooth, so don't worry if the line's not super sharp. And then I'm just gonna grab a concealer and an angle brush and just kind of clean up right underneath, and I'm just going to blend that out. And I'm not bringing the eyeliner all the way in. I'm just kind of leaving it maybe like 3/4 in. I'm gonna apply some mascara and pop some lashes, and then we're gonna move on to the cheeks and the lips. Okay, so now that we've got the eyes all done, we are gonna move to the cheeks. I'm gonna be taking this Take Me Home Dual Palette. It does have a side that has a little bit of iridescent and the other side is matte. And I'm just gonna pick up a little bit of both of them, and I'm just kind of applying it at the apple of my cheeks. And you only need a little bit. That's the thing that I love about MAC products, that a little bit goes a long way. So this is definitely gonna last you a long time. So we're gonna be using Hey Boy Hey lipstick and apply it all over the lips. Let's not forget to top it off with Queen P. Alright everyone, so this is it for the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I definitely had lots of fun creating this look using the new Patrickstarrr spring collection. It definitely made me just kind of step out and create something that I would never usually create using these colors. As you guys saw, I was trying to go for a different look, but because the eyeshadow that I was trying to apply on top of a matte shadow just wasn't grabbing. It just didn't turn out the way that I wanted to, but I still liked it. I still loved the color. I love the combination. I feel like Patrick did such a great job just putting all the colors together. I definitely love this color combination. I don't use it as often as I should. I feel like this definitely is going to just make me want to use more color. So let me know what your thoughts are in the comments down below, and I will see you guys in my next video.